Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, constantly worrying about your financial future? Welcome to the journey towards financial freedom, where entrepreneurship is the vehicle that drives you forward. Today, we're going to delve into a treasure trove of 15 business ideas. Each idea is a stepping stone towards the wealth and security you're seeking. Stay tuned as we explore 15 business ideas that can help you achieve financial freedom. First on our list is starting an e-commerce store. The digital world offers a vast landscape of opportunities, and owning an e-commerce store is one such avenue. This online business model allows you to sell products or services to a global audience, round the clock. The process of setting up an online store is straightforward. You need a well-designed website, an array of products or services, and a reliable delivery system. The benefits are numerous, from low overhead costs to the potential for high profit margins. And let's not forget the flexibility it affords. You can operate from anywhere at any time. With the right strategies, an e-commerce store can be a profitable venture. Next up, we have social media management, an exciting venture where you get to be the online voice of a brand. As a social media manager, you create and curate content, interact with followers, analyze results, and run social media advertisements. It's a role that requires creativity, customer service skills, and a knack for understanding social media trends. You might even say it's a mix of art and science. And the best part? You can work from anywhere, making it a perfect business idea for digital nomads. As for the income, it can vary widely, but with the right clients, it can be quite lucrative. With businesses increasingly recognizing the power of social media, this is a business idea with huge potential. Another profitable business idea is starting a cleaning services business. In today's fast-paced world, the demand for such services is on the rise. People, be it busy professionals or families, are constantly seeking help to keep their surroundings clean and tidy. Now let's talk about how to get started. First, identify your target market. You could focus on offices, homes, schools, or even specialized cleaning like carpets or windows. Next, invest in the necessary cleaning supplies and equipment. Finally, market your services effectively. The potential earnings? Well, with a solid client base and consistent service, you could be looking at a substantial monthly income. Remember, the key is consistency and quality service. A cleaning services business can provide a steady income with low startup costs. Moving on, let's talk about content creation. It's a bustling industry, teeming with opportunities. You see, in this digital age, everyone's eyes are glued to screens, and they're always hungry for more content. That's where you come in as a content creator. You could be crafting engaging blog posts, snapping breathtaking photos, shooting captivating videos, or even creating eye-catching graphics. The platforms are endless. Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, WordPress, you name it. And how do you monetize this? Well, through sponsored posts, ad revenues, or even by selling your own products or services. It's all about creativity and consistency. I hope you're enjoying the video. Please like and subscribe for more content to help you achieve financial freedom. Next, we have real estate investing. A powerful tool in the path to financial freedom, real estate investing can be a game changer. The principle is simple: buy property and generate income through rental revenue, appreciation, or both. The potential returns are nothing short of impressive. However, remember, it's not just about buying any property, it's about buying the right property. Location, condition, and market trends are just some of the factors to consider. And yes, it does require a significant initial investment, but if done well, it can provide a steady stream of income and long-term financial security. So, if you're ready to take the plunge, the world of real estate awaits. Though it may require a significant initial investment, real estate can provide long-term financial security. Another promising business idea is freelance coding. In a world where digitalization is the new norm, the demand for coders is skyrocketing. Whether it's building websites, creating mobile apps, or programming software, coding skills are in high demand. The beauty of freelance coding is that you can work from anywhere, at any time, and on projects that pique your interest. To get started, you'll need to master a few programming languages like Python or JavaScript and develop problem-solving acumen. And the potential earnings? Well, they're pretty impressive. With experience, you can command a handsome hourly rate. With the tech industry booming, freelance coding can be a highly profitable venture. Next up, we have mobile car wash and detailing. The beauty of this business lies in its simplicity. With just some basic equipment and a passion for cars, you can start offering services right from your van. The potential income is enticing. You can earn anywhere from $20 to $100 per service, depending on the complexity. However, success doesn't come without effort. Building a strong brand, delivering exceptional customer service, and maintaining a high standard of work are key. Networking within your community and offering loyalty programs can also boost your client base. Remember, consistency is your best friend in this business. This is a business idea that can be started with minimal investment. Moving on to online courses. In the digital age, knowledge is a commodity, and you can tap into this by creating and selling your own online courses. Whether you're a master baker, a coding whiz, or a yoga enthusiast, you can package your expertise into a course and sell it to eager learners all over the world. The beauty of this business model is that once you've created your course, it can be sold an infinite number of times. This means you could be earning money while you sleep. It's a lucrative business model with a global market, plus it allows you to work from anywhere and set your own hours. Online courses can be a great source of passive income. Another business idea to consider is home renovation and repair. The demand for this service is ever present as homes, like anything else, age and require upkeep and sometimes a fresh look. This role involves a variety of tasks, from simple repairs to full-scale renovations. It's a business that requires a certain set of skills, but don't fret. These can be learned with time and practice. You might start small, fixing leaky faucets or repainting rooms, then gradually take on larger projects as your skills and confidence grow. The potential income? Well, it can be highly rewarding, especially for larger renovation projects. So if you're hands-on and enjoy problem solving, this could be your path to financial freedom. With the right skills, this can be a highly profitable business. Next, we have bookkeeping. It's all about managing and recording a business's financial transactions. From purchases and sales to payments, every penny must be accounted for. So, if you're good with numbers and have an eye for detail, this could be your ticket to financial freedom. You'll need to master accounting software, but fear not. There are plenty of online courses available to help you get up to speed. Once you're comfortable, you can offer your services to small businesses, startups, even busy freelancers. And the best part, you can work from anywhere at any time that suits you. The potential earnings? Well, they can be quite substantial depending on your client base. For those with a knack for numbers, bookkeeping can be a great business idea. Moving on, let's talk about mobile app development. In today's digital age, there's an app for almost everything, from ordering food to tracking fitness. So why not create your own? The process involves ideation, design, development, and testing, but don't be deterred if you're not a tech whiz. There are plenty of resources and tools out there to help you out, or you could even hire a freelancer. Now, potential earnings? They can be sky high. Some successful apps rake in millions per year. The secret? Spot a need, create a unique solution, and market it right. Remember, it's not just about creating an app, it's about creating value. With the right idea and execution, app development can be a highly lucrative venture. Next up, we have interior design. This is not just about making rooms look pretty, it's a multifaceted profession where creative and technical solutions are applied to create a built interior environment. And guess what? It's a business ripe with potential for those with the knack for it. Starting your own interior design business can be a gateway to financial freedom. It's all about offering a service that improves the quality of life, meets the needs of your clients, and brings their vision to life. The potential income? Well, that can be quite substantial, especially as you build your portfolio and reputation. Success tips? Keep up with trends, understand your client's style, and always deliver more than expected. Another promising business idea is offering consulting services. This is all about leveraging your expertise to help others achieve their goals. It could be anything from business strategy, marketing, human resources, to personal fitness. The beauty of consulting is that it's flexible, scalable, and can be launched with minimal startup costs. All you need is a deep understanding of your chosen field and a knack for problem solving. Now let's talk money. The potential earnings can be substantial. Top consultants in their fields can command rates of several $100s per hour. So if you've got the knowledge and the drive, why not monetize it? With the right expertise, consulting can be a high-income business. Next, we have the subscription box service. This business model has been growing in popularity, and it's not hard to see why. The idea is simple. Customers subscribe to receive a box of curated items delivered to their doorsteps on a regular basis. It could be anything: books, beauty products, gourmet foods, or even pet supplies. The potential income here is promising, with successful services earning thousands, even millions annually. Starting one requires identifying a niche, sourcing products, and setting up a website. But remember, the key to success is offering something unique, something your subscribers will eagerly anticipate every month. So get creative and think outside the box. A subscription box service can provide a steady income and has huge growth potential. Last but not least, we have event planning. A field that's always buzzing with activity. It's perfect for those who thrive in dynamic environments. Event planners are in high demand, orchestrating everything from weddings to corporate retreats. It's a job that requires a unique blend of creativity, precision, and people skills. And the best part, you don't need a degree to get started. All you need is a knack for organization, an eye for detail, and the ability to stay calm under pressure. Potential earnings? Well, they can be quite lucrative, with experienced planners easily earning into the six figures. So if you've got that special blend of skills and love a good party, why not make it your business? For those with strong organizational skills, event planning can be a profitable venture. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take that step today.